Hello folks, today I'm doing an inspection actually on a parking lot, and there is up above this is a big concrete pad, concrete driveway parking lot. And what I'm doing is I'm seeing about how it's built here, what's happening with it, and you can see I'm getting a lot of rusting happening. And really what I'm really more concerned about is my pan is starting to rust away, as you can see right up in through here. But come on down here, so this kind of tells us where our leaks are at too, because where I'm getting the most water leakage is where we can see where we're having the rusting happening. But look at that, you can see it's really rusting out bad, and this is fairly new. And I can see right here that there's literally a hole right here. See if I can zoom that in. See that right there, that hole right there in my pan. Now it's all concrete above and everything, so it's not like it's going to fall down. But it definitely is showing I got some problems that's happening in my drainage system above. And we'll talk about that in another video, the drainage system. But this is what you're looking for. And there's a huge, massive amount of concrete up here, and driveway, parking lot, vehicles. So, you know, it has to be pretty safe, because when it starts to fall, I'm actually on a mountainside doing this inspection. And that'd be a big problem. Now look here, see? I show you this right here. You can see where it's starting to rust, right? You can see where the whiting's happening, and then you start seeing it coming down through here, and it's just getting worse. And look at that, totally rusted. Look at that, wow. Okay, well, the owners are not going to be too happy when they hear about this, but then again, that's what I was hired for, to come out here to try to be as proactive as possible, so their investment doesn't get in bad shape. They don't even live in this part of the world. They live on the West Coast. Probably never been out here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. And this is an Airbnb, so they don't probably never been out here. Take a look at it, and that's what we get hired for. Hey folks, thanks for watching our videos. Hope they've been educational. Share them with your friends. Share them with everybody. Hey, let them know what you know. And that way you could be the to-go guy for answering any questions, because you've watched all these videos I got out here. Thanks folks, have a great day. Appreciate you watching.